Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Now we are going to continue with the run-on sentence, and we will continue with method 2. It is using the semicolon. As we will see, it is as easy as the first method. It is as easy as with using the full stop. We will see. Actually, a semicolon is used to connect major independent clauses. Therefore, when we have run-on sentences, we can use a semicolon to combine sentences together and write compound sentences. In fact, this is like what we said before. We will read our sentences, and when the sentence of the independent clause is complete, okay, we will use a semicolon. But here we need to notice that the semicolon can be used to combine sentences and make compound sentences, but they don't replace or. They replace all the other fanboys except or. We will continue. The semicolon replaces fanboys like and, but, for, so, yet, nor. However, the semicolon doesn't mean the fanboys or, and it doesn't replace it. Okay, we will look at these few sentences. 1. Ahmad is a heavy smoker. Space. He doesn't drink coffee. As you see, we have contrast. These two sentences, can be joined together using yet or but. Okay? And here we can use a semicolon instead. Okay? We move to the next one. A student is transferred to hospital. He ate some bad food. Okay, so we look at these ideas, and we have reason and result. Here we have the result, and here we have a reason. So instead of for, we are going to use a semicolon. Here we are going to use a semicolon. Okay, look at the next one. I don't eat fish. I don't drink soda. Okay, look, we have these two independent clauses, and they all have negated actions, and for negated actions, two actions we don't do, we can use nor, but here we are going to replace nor with the semicolon. Here we'll move to number 5. I have to save $2,000, or I want to travel to Singapore. Okay, here, sentence 1 and sentence 2 express alternation, and I need to use or. Anyway, here the semicolon doesn't express alternation, so it doesn't replace or, and it can't replace or. So I have to use or and a comma and or, and as you see, I used capital letters for or because it is important to notice it here. Okay? Next one. The above examples are run-on sentences that are not connected with any kind of punctuation. They all can be connected with a semicolon except the last one, the last sentence, because it takes or. Following is an exercise to apply method 2, which you have just learned, for correcting run-on sentences, fused sentences. Okay, we have this exercise, and we will do what you have done for the previous exercise. You will read the sentences, and where it is possible, you are going to use the semicolon. If used sentences, need correct punctuation, here we are going to use the semicolon and make compound sentences. Okay? Thank you for listening. I will give you time to do this exercise, and I will continue with the next method in a couple of minutes. Thank you very much. Thank you.